All right, guys, welcome to the next part of the video. I think we may be at 6 at this point. So as I was saying before, one of the things that DJI did so well was they made it easy for the customers they already had to get themselves one of these by making it possible to pair your remote control like this one and the goggles to your new Avata. So if you already had your DJI FPV drone, the potato, and you bought yourself the most amazing, the DJI Avata Screech, then all of those things would work together, and that is what they decided to do, which is pretty smart. So with that said, guys, this is what we have here today, and it is pretty cool. So I wasn't sure about this, but actually it works just as well as the one. It works better than the one on the DJI FPV drone, so the previous version of that. And you do need to be a little bit fiddly with it, but it does click into place quite well. And you don't end up accidentally bumping into the camera, which was something that would happen in the other drone.